Hi all, I wanted to make a quick video for Bitcoin and 1 minute scalping on Bitcoin. Before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. All content over here is for the sake of education. Kindly read the disclaimer that you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. Okay, so before I go into the details, let me just tell you that Friday yesterday was a tough day in terms of normal trading that I do on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the whole day yesterday and late into the night, I've been working on this 1 minute time frame, and I've been trying different combinations on Nifty, Bank Nifty, Bitcoin, to some extent even crude oil, natural gas. But crude and natural gas, they're not the perfect contenders for 1 minute trading. During the course of doing those experiments, I think I've found something that works for 1 minute. So I'll start this with Bitcoin. I'm still fine tuning it for Nifty and Bank Nifty, but let me go ahead and start this with Bitcoin. All right. So here we go. Now, as you people know, I'm very fond of using the indicator called EMA difference scotch that you see at the bottom. First of all, we are on Bitcoin. This is a live chart, and you can see it's ticking over here. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll switch to the 1 minute time frame. All right. And once we click 1 day over here, that will squeeze the chart into a 1 minute, into that 1 day time frame. All right. Into the screen that you are seeing. The next thing that we will do is we'll use something called Zurich moving average. Zurich moving average by Everget. Now this has been working great for me on the 5 minute time frame in the other indices that I trade, and it's been working for me when I do paper trading on Bitcoin also on the 15 minute time frame with a value of 21. However, 21 was not the appropriate value for this on the 1 minute time frame, and after spending a lot of time trying to fine tune it to a 1 minute time frame, I have realized the best value is 41. All right, now let's review this 1 minute time frame on the with the 41 as the value that we'll be using. So very simple, guys. The day is starting over here. All right, let me just, now that I've told you it's Bitcoin, okay, so we'll start off like this. This is the 1 minute time frame. The day starts over here. Forget about all other indicators. We are just using Zurich, and the only change I've made is length. I've made, I think the default length is 9. Let me just see. Default length is 7. If you use 7, you see it's unusable at 7. All right, we'll cancel that. So we get back to the length being 41. Apart from that, I'm using the green with thickness at 2. I'm using the red with thickness at 4. I'm using purple with thickness at 4. I think the red and green, I'm using custom colors. These colors are a little more brighter. You can also set custom colors on TradingView. And the best part is Zurich moving average is available on other platforms also, apart from TradingView. Some of them have it. All right. In any case, so our setting basically is from 7, we have moved this to 41, and nothing else we have changed. And at the bottom, we are using an indicator called EMA difference scotch. EMA difference histogram and stochastic indicator by Wu Gamlo. I'll leave the name of the indicators and the creator names in the description below so that you have no difficulty finding it. But these two indicators are all we need to get this done with. All right. So look at it now. The day starts, we relax, we wait, we are waiting for this bottom indicator to turn from red to pink and then pink to green. Somewhere over here, it turns green, right? And look at the indicator on top. That also is turning from red to green. Let me just show this to you. 1 second. I'll show this to you over here. Little bolder. Okay. So see over here. It turns green. Above also turn greens. Boom. We can go for this ride on the 1 minute time frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7-8 minutes, how many points can we grab? We have grabbed close to 480 points. Then we wait. So at this stage, we have booked our profit. We wait. Now this over here is turning red. From dark green, it's gone to light green, and over here it turns red. This turns red, and over here it turns red. All right. Of course, we are not able to catch it. I mean, you can never catch it in the precise moment. There'll always be a slight delay. You'll either be a little ahead or a little behind. Somewhere over here we catch it. Say over here we catch it. You could have ridden this short for about 370 points. All right. Then we wait along. Actually, this goes on. If you don't book your profit, this goes on till about here. So there was 570 points for the taking. Depends where you would have exited. Maybe at 400 point would have been a good place to exit. All right. Then we wait, and then we wait, and then we wait. Over here you see the red turns to pink and pink turns to green. Boom. We go in, we take a long, and we ride it from year to year. We have got another 200 points over here. Then the market goes a little sideways. Of course, there are points to be made here as well. In scalping, I mean, even a good 30-40 points is a good scalp. All right. But over here, again, we get a good opportunity. You see at the bottom, we see a green failing and it's going into red again. We short over here, and we are capable of grabbing about 330 points. I'm not saying anybody can grab the whole thing, but you get the point, right? In 300 points, it's easy to grab 100 points somewhere in between. Then again, this red turns to pink, pink turns to green. Boom, it turns green over here. And we have how many points for the taking? About 399 points. You can say about 400 points. Even if you would have grabbed 200 points over there, that would have been good. Over here, we would have not taken this because it's not gone to red. Over here, it's gone to green. So we could have taken this. A good 150 points over here for the taking. Here it's gone from green to red. How many points we could have short it for over here? Approximately 100 points. So every time you're not going to get that 400, 500 points, but you'll get some points nevertheless. All right. So over here, it turns from red to pink to green over here. And this was another 200 points. You could have easily grabbed 100 points somewhere in between. So that's how it works. All right. Then you get some sideways momentum now and then. If you're a trader for a long time, you will know when the market goes sideways according to the time zone that you are in. But as you can see, this works pretty well. Over here, it has turned green and we are in live market. So if you have taken a position over here, it's already climbed up 80 points. We'll have to wait and see whether it can go further. But the dark green is turning to light green. So maybe it'll fall down now. It's probably a good idea to book 50, 60 points over here, which is not a bad thing as far as scalping is concerned. Anything, any points, I mean, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 points, anything is a good deal when it comes to scalping. And when you get lucky, you go for that 300-400 points or 400-500 points. All right. But the bottom line is what is confirmed over here is on 1 minute Bitcoin, and after a lot of different value inputs, I've come to the conclusion right now, for now, until I find something better, that Zurich moving average with the setting of 41 instead of 7 and EMA defense scotch in its default settings, no changes required, works beautifully on the 1 minute time frame for Bitcoin. I would suggest people, you can try this. It's paper trading is available on TradingView for Bitcoin. You don't have to really trade. Try this and see how it works for you. Catalog your progress over a period of 1 or 2 weeks and see how you are able to use this 1 minute time frame and what is your strike rate and win rate. I'm sure it will be pretty good. All right. You will have to take a little bit of losses here and there. That's part of the ball game. You can't be right all the time. But on a general note, if your strike rate is good, your wins are higher than your losses, you are doing well. All right. Don't be too hard on yourself. Take it easy. If it's not 1 week, probably 2 weeks. If it's not 2 weeks, then probably 4 weeks. But sooner or later, you'll become good at this. All right. So I hope this video about 1 minute scalping on Bitcoin was helpful to you in some form or the other. If it was, then kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your family and friends. Leave a nice comment if possible in the comment section. Definitely give us a thumbs up. We really like when people give our videos a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Apart from that, also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below in all our videos. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.